You are watching Global Auto Digest. Let's roll. Introducing on your screen, the breathtaking Mercedes Maybach Exelero 2025 car, a masterpiece that defies convention, blends opulence with monstrous power, and redefines what it means to be a hyperluxury coupe. A legend returns with a modern twist. Originally conceived in 2005, the Exelero was a one-off legend. Now, in 2025, Mercedes Maybach revives this myth with futuristic design upgrades, state-of-the-art technology, and an even more commanding road presence. Design beyond imagination. The 2025 Exelero combines Maybach elegance with pure aggression. Its low-slung profile, blacked-out grille, and seamless LED strip lighting make it look like it's from another universe. Every curve whispers exclusivity. Unparalleled performance under the hood. Powering this beast is a twin-turbo V12 engine producing around 690 horsepower. With a top speed of over 350 km per hour, the Exelero 2025 isn't just a show car, it's a speed demon built for dominance. Luxury that stuns the senses. Inside, the Exelero is an opera of hand-stitched nappa leather, ambient lighting, and crystal accents. Dual OLED touchscreens and a Maybach-exclusive interface offer the perfect harmony of analog luxury and digital elegance. Crafted as a statement. More than a car, the Exelero 2025 is a statement piece. Designed for billionaires, art collectors, and royalty, each unit will be custom-built to reflect the owner's taste in luxury. Exclusivity at a price. This kind of perfection comes at a cost. The expected price of the 2025 Exelero is estimated to exceed $10 million, making it one of the most expensive cars in the world, a blend of heritage and futurism. While it pays homage to the original 2005 model, the 2025 version adds carbon fiber detailing, adaptive aero elements, and AI-assisted drive systems, bridging the past with the future seamlessly. Driving experience like no other. Step on the pedal, and the Exelero growls to life, delivering an experience that's part spaceship, part luxury yacht. It's quiet when you want, ferocious when you demanding. Technological prowess. Equipped with autonomous features, night vision, 5G connectivity, and biometric access, the Exelero 2025 is not just about speed, it's about next-gen driving intelligence. Global symbol of power. From Dubai to Monaco, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero is poised to become a global icon, seen at fashion galas, exclusive auctions, and royal garages. Built by visionaries. This car isn't mass-produced. It's created by the best designers, engineers, and artisans under the Maybach mark, each car taking months to perfect. Carbon fiber brilliance and safety. Its body is armored with carbon fiber monocoque construction for both performance and protection. Safety features include predictive collision tech and emergency self-braking. More than a car, it's an heirloom. The Exelero isn't just for the road. It's destined for museums and legacy collections, a rolling piece of automotive art that will appreciate in value for decades. Like, share, and subscribe to Global Auto Digest. See you in the next video.